loving the start to this game. I am Kogmaw with Scopious weapons. So when I press W, you have 780 range at level 3. We have a high chance to be able to like collect some other Scopy augments this game. I am still trying to get the 3 Scopy augment dream. I've only ever hit the 2. I want the max range possible. Trying out a double 80 carry comp. Oh, I lost vision. Get my W back. That's good. Okay, we got vision, we can auto. They're both 1 HP. Nice. I like playing a double damage threats like this. You have to make a choice. Who to focus. Oh, the other one does insane damage. Already having an ADC night? I love playing ADCs, bro. I'm in his main, so I like auto-attacking. Being a hyper carry. Like, orb blocking is fun. And Shen Silas next. You Courage of the Colossus. You want to go for the Silas. Silas does a lot of damage. So we gotta kill him first, if we can. Let's do this. We gotta dodge the Shenny and the Xylozy. Dude, this range is so nice. Okay, we're just playing front to back, so I think we've killed the Shen here. I said I think we did not kill the Shen. Like, I thought he was gonna E me. Come here. Get over here, Silas. Okay, nice. Just keep routed. Don't die. Let's go. Woo. Oh my goodness, it's a level 7 Dr. Mundo. He only has a shoe. This man has 1 shoe. Are we sure he's a doctor? Divine Sunder? Nah. Oh. Maybe Talisman? Ooh, Gamba Blade. For Darksteel Talons for true damage. It's so good. My main got Radiant Virtue. I want to make money with Gamba Blade. That sounds like fun. Oh wait, man. That's so funny. The scale. If I got that, I'd just sell that shit immediately. Oh wait. We'd need a marksman anvil. back here, Warwick. You motherfucker. That's his only play. He's flipped me. I need this plan. I am I'm spamming my ult. Nice. How much money did I make there? 582. Heck yeah. You would take Dr. Mundo over some of the doctors you work with? Uh oh. Alright, let me get a Bork. Bork of the Ruined King. $106 healing? It's so OP, it's so OP, it's so OP. Vi has 2 ults, and Malphite has an orbital laser. We're not moving this game. I have no flash. I need to hug the Hexgate. Oh, okay. Vayne's getting the treatment. Oh my god, it's my turn. Okay, nice. Shiny, take that gate. Oh! No, I died! Sorry, we won the round. Alright, boss Choga. I'm so glad I'm playing an ADC this game. We can shred these dudes with their 10k HP. Oh! Guys, we have 2! We have 2! We have 2! We have 2! We need one more. We just need gold augments now. We just need gold augments. We can do it. We can do it. Oh my god. Ooh, it's N. Good value. How do you feel the burn is OP? Ocean Soul's OP. You're tank Vayne after all. Yeah, will it happen? I'm praying right now. I have so much range, oh my god. I'm machine gunning this guy from across the map right now. Oh, I'm hit. Can he one-shot me? Oh god. Should I flash away? Nah, we good. That's some S-tier fighting. No, we have the silver one right now. And the prismatic. And my Gamba Blade is making bank. 1500 gold. I have item advantage. I have like a full item advantage. Should I anti-heal? Do we even need it? I don't think we need it. I'll go Gwinsu. We have so much range. I don't think they'll be able to heal like that much off us. We'll shred them too fast that it doesn't matter. Old damage for sure. I have 910 range. I'm gonna throw a rapid fire cannon in here too. This makes Gamba Blade proc twice. Oh hell yeah. Oh yeah, we have anti-heal on the Ignite from Feel the Burn. So we never need to buy anti-heal. We get 80 AP. We get the high root scalings. Poor Sophie. I'm just autoing them from so far away, man. Machine gun sniper. Okay, I think we get another augment this round. After this. Imagine if I had a Milio this game for more range. That would have been disgusting. Thanks to fast, there's no time to stack gold. Yeah, I'm not getting as much gold as I was. Need to go against this Cho'Gath. We do percent HP damage, so we'll see about that. I want a Terminus here. Okay, we gotta roll, please. Fuck. Didn't get it. I got a Shrink Ray. Unlucky. We have one more chance though. We have 100 HP, so we're probably getting to the next one. We're definitely getting to the next augment. Oh, we have a Byron. We have one more chance. Dude, I want to fight this raid boss Cho'Gath and get some more money. Did Vi just ult that set? Am I seeing that right? And this Vi Malphite combo is disgusting. Alright. I want another prismatic. Nah. I don't want a prismatic here. I want a rapid fire cannon. And I want Terminus for my next item. But I saw this Gambit Blade later on. After I have those items for a different prismatic item for damage. Yes! Time to Gambit off them. Forty stacks. Getting 1v1 by this all-star. He's full HP. Bro is full AP. With Eureka. That's crazy, this range, man. 1060 range. 1060. Awesome. Random bonuses, my favorite. Yeah, health. And heal shield power. Alright, that one sucked. Terminus. Where the heck is Terminus? Am I blind? Oh no, it's literally selected. That's why. The fuck? I am blind. I'm sorry. What the... Dude. This fucking range is so nasty, bro. I was autoing him from the other fucking Claypon. The other lily pad. Whoa, that's a big ass Cho'Gath. Windflare? Windflare sounds fun.
Today's items courtesy of our madly handsome, ultra-magnanimous, and hopelessly romantic patron. Brace yourselves. The brawl is a brew.
Oh, it's a Byron? That's a big dinosaur. He just one-shot him with his ult. That is terrifying. Good thing I have 1,000 range and I don't have to be like that close to that champion. Dude, this all-star is so tanky, but he does so much damage. He has so much AP. What the heck is that? Please. Silvers. Fuck, we couldn't get it. It's okay though. It is what it is. Heavy hitter? I'll go heavy hitter. So sad, dude. We didn't get the 3 scope weapons. Someday, man. I'm gonna keep trying. I'll never give up. I'll never give up. Alright. Let's shred this raid boss. I don't even have to move upon spawning. Oh my god, I'm getting one shot. Oh, that's gotta feel bad to just die from so far away. I can auto him from here. Let's go, dude. It wasn't the 3 scope weapons dream, but it was damn close. That was an insanely fun game, man. 1060 range. That's a video. GG's, guys. Body that like button, subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Check the socials in the description. Thanks for watching. Alrighty, be playing some Kogmaw. I get 200 ability as my W, and my W is just always up, sure. Kogmaw's only issue, like, he's only weak when his W is on, like, on cooldown. Alright, against Trinimir Mouse first. We need to kill the Voidlings, because the Voidlings do a lot of damage early game. Just run at you. Moments. Hello, welcome to the stream. How you doing? What, Nexus Blitz or Ultimate Spellbook? I'd be down for Ultimate Spellbook to come back. Nexus Blitz, like, it gets pretty boring because they haven't added any updates to it since it, like, originally came out. But I love, like, the mini-game modes in Nexus Blitz. Those are really fun. Like, I love, like, the 1v1s with, like, the 2v2s. That's cool. Yeah, I just always have W up. I like that. Farm stacks. I shall try, my friend. Oh, like he wants to hit the Voidlings? My W is always up. I live! Yay! Oh nice, he gets free stacks every round too. Yeah! Uh-oh, steal your heart, Cho'Gath. Good thing. Oh my god, they both have it. Good thing I'm playing Kogmaw. I saw multiple Cho'Gaths and Bruisers things in his lobby, so... What's my favorite type of meat? Steak. Or chicken. Classy. Okay, buffalo chicken is best meat. Thoughts? Cho'Gath, Kane. Ah! Kill me first and I get to unleash my passive. It's actually so OP, like, perma having W up, by the way. Alright, I'm gonna let him farm stacks on this guy. If we let them get res so he gets more stacks too. them res.
That's some S-tier fighting.
Alright, basically hamstringer. Hamstringer's nice.
Today's items courtesy of our madly handsome, ultra magnanimous.
It's also extra range,
and
yes.
hopelessly romantic
I had a game on Kogmaw the other day where I had 1050 range, I think. Wanted to kill you so bad, yeah. I would too, man. I should have went Kogmaw. The dog skin. Kogmaw. Also, I'm not even sure why I even have this Chroma, because I didn't even play ranked on this account. But it gave me like a master Chroma, I think. I had not even played ranked on this account like forever. Aina, please. Stop fucking me. Ah. That Aina hurts. Fuck. I'll get you, bitch. Yeah. Fuck, she flashed. That even killed her. How much 3 damage can I do? It would have killed her.
Come on, you really want to try us?
Oh, Diana had Mark's Mage. That's why she fucked my ass. It's like, whoa, dude, since when does this champ do damage like that? Alright, let's see. Work time? Did you post a 1k range Kogmaw video a month ago? Yeah, so I'm not sure if I should like post another. Not sure if I should use it for a video because I already have one. It was really, really fun game though. I was like literally like standing across the map, just like machine gun autoing them to death. It was a vibe. Alright, Renekton Aatrox. Let's get him out of here. Did we focus Aatrox? Oh my goodness, man. That Aatrox Q one-shot me. What the hell? What? Oh, fuck.
The fire's approaching.
He pressed... I got hit by his Q3, I think. And his Profane Hydra, and I did 927. That's crazy. Hey Skybos, how you doing tonight? Yo, Dinah, wake up. Dinah's gonna win. She just autos. Ooh, good dodge. Oh, she died. Rune Carver OP. Oh my god, Scorpio weapon. Oh, that's OP. Whoa. 810 range. Hog. Hey, I got Tank Smolder. Will counter any magic damage champion. No Phenomenal? No, Phenomenal's bad on Kogmaw. No, it doesn't proc on W autos. No, it's the Jin map. me alone. Get off. Eris is still alive. Where is he? I gotta win this. The hell, man. Whew. Thank God. Whew. It was hard to kill. Alright, I have Gwinsu now. Let's go.
Hope you know how to use that, because we will not be held liable for malfunctions.
We first. See, AEC comps OP. Is Darius Kaisa next? Chat, remind me I want to play Kaisa tonight. Kaisa's so fun. You can get good augments. I really want to do like a Mystic Punch, like Q spam Kaisa build. I feel like that would be crazy. And then like a Jeweled Gauntlet AP build. I'll try and get those tonight. Oh my god, I thought I had flash. I win. Oh my gosh. For a second there, I thought she had me. Yay! Yeah, dude, if Anomaly Evil procced off Kogmaw W autos, that would be so insane. Works on his ear autos, but like usually by the time you've autoed 20 times, you only get 20 AP and they're dead. You know what I mean? It's just like not that great. About the plant instead of killing me? Ah, I see. I thought when I was like airborne that he was like autoing me. It's like fuck. AD or lethality? Yeah, this is a tough choice. I do like a lot of like magic damage though. Maybe let's go AD. Kogmaw has great AD ratios. Oh, just on R. Alright, my R will do a lot. My autos will do a lot. Alright, against Chograph and Karma. This guy only has 25 Heartless stacks. That is crazy low. We're gonna go with his stats. Uh-oh, I didn't dodge that. I'm letting farm stacks off Karma. We're getting like half HP. Oh shit! That hurt. I think we're right. I don't need those carbons. There she is. Nice. Getting out of the plant. Nice. He knows. He's pro. She might out heal. A nice. Ah. All good. Skilled sniper? Maybe had HP to spare. Do I have one skilled sniper? Like it'll like proc off my E and my maybe my Q? I don't know. But I like AD Kogmaw, it's not that exciting. Not sure what to go here. Maybe I just roll once. Is that Kipitako himself, the Jin player? Yes. The one and only. The Jin of all time. Oh! It hurts. What? How am I dead? Did its killing time? No. Its killing time couldn't have killed you. What the hell, like, did damage me there? Wait, what? Wait. Huh? I took 500 physical damage from Malzar, but didn't he ult my teammate? Bro, I'm so confused. I took damage from its killing time. Oh, mark all champions for death. Okay, that's why. Alright, I guess it makes sense. As long as it makes sense. I didn't expect it to do that, but I guess it does that. Yo, this Shogat has a lot of range. He also has scope your weapons. That's a scary Chogurt. Alright, let's go Widow with Send or Hellfire Hatchet maybe. Why not both? I hate a prismatic. Is there any prismatics I might want? Like, not really.
The fighters get money after they win the whole thing. Here, we do things a little differently.
I'll deal with Send first. So I can be a bit tankier versus magic damage. Oh crap, we're lethal. She. My boomerang's on 2 damage. What did you sub? Just in case. I think this could be a hard round. Oh no, it's a Jin map. So annoying. What? Hey, Thosh, I'm gonna play for Res. Yay! We're still in it! I go Omni Vamp here. Let's do Omni Vamp. Sure, this Bruiser's the big bad Kogmaw. I mean, okay, that's so good to get health back because we have to play against Trinimir Malos, which is very tough. Oh god, wait, we killed him. No way, what the? Get his ass! Dude, he exploded and he just didn't press R. I don't think he expected the smolder execute. I'm assuming he didn't expect like the smolder execute because Shinra players will like wait like till the last possible second to press R. Oh, that bears attacks me. My next item is going to be Hellfire Hatchet. It does percent HP damage, and the burn damage is actually OP. The Omni Vamp is nice. I have a lot of life still on Omni Vamp. Huge.
Say goodbye to Team Scuttle.
It tempts me with prismatic items, but I don't think they're very good on Kogmaw. Not worth. Alright. Let's stat up. Or attack speed. 2 random stats, Pog. What'd I get? Heal and shield power. And maybe Omnivamp too? I'm not sure. I think I got Omnivamp and heal and shield power. Actually, heal and shield power when I have Omnivamp is big. It's actually big. I'm going to heal a lot. With 315 stacks, hell yeah. Oh my god. Whoa, what the fuck? I don't like that. Oh shit, man. I like stuck back here. Well, I healed a lot, but still got kind of OP. Alright, we're still in it. We're still in it. I shall try. Lightning strikes. Ethereal weapons. I'll try to throw weapons, like... Is it already, like, proc my W on my W? Let's try it, let's see. See what happens. Magic Missile? No. Like, I barely use my ult this game. Oh, dude, he killed me in 2 autos. No. He hurt. Trinmere OP. Well, 3rd place is pretty solid. He lost to dual champs. It is what it is. I'll spawn though. I think I needed to buy Perplexity so I could have the Giant Slayer passive. That was what my build was lacking.